Caves of Slovak and Aktele Karst are a bilateral Slovak-Hungarian UNESCO World Heritage Site approved by the World Heritage Committee session in Berlin. National Nature Monument Ochtinska Aragonite Caves represents a worldwide unique natural phenomenon characterized by richness and diversity of aragonite fields, particular geological evolution, and distinctive genesis of underground species. 3 generations of aragonite were determined in this cave. The second generation is the most attractive for visitors because these aragonite fields are still growing and maintain white color and clean appearance. It is formed from water solutions with high content of magnesium, ferrum and mangan ions under conditions of stable microclimate. This cave was discovered in 1954 and opened for the public in 1972 on a length of 235 meters. I get off the bus in Hradok Pass and walk to Ochtinska Aragonite Cave. We enter the artificial tunnel 144 meters long and go downstairs to visit the underground interior of Ochtinska Aragonite Cave. We go through a narrow corridor leading to the marble hall. The guide shows us 3 types of marble coloration. We return to the stellar hall. I take precious shots of the ceiling decorated with exceptional forms of eccentric aragonite. Not only a couple of French holidaymakers are captivated. A loop to the Oval Passage. A precipice with a lake and a fascinating aragonite form called White Hedgehog on a milk road. We pass by the enchanted corridor with a protected enclosure. After 30 minutes, I say goodbye to Ochtinska Aragonite Cave, one of the world's top 10 aragonite caves and UNESCO World Natural Heritage.